On this video today, traders, I want to share with you guys how you have to use two confluences to conclude your trading or to get the best trading setups that you possibly can ever get in any trading pair in 2025. But this is not something that you have to just use once or use twice just to confirm that it works. You have to break test and back test. You have to forward test and forward test to a point where you now have the discipline, you now have the patience, and you now have the determination that you will conquer it and eventually win using what I'm about to share with you guys. But before we start the video, that's your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm the founder and CEO of Circle of Traders Forex Academy. And in this YouTube channel, I'm taking you guys into my journey, showing you guys how we trade, how we kill trades, how we live our lives, obviously, and how we just maintain ourselves as traders. But another thing, before we hit the video, make sure you like on the video, you leave a comment on the video, you share the video, you turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop 5 content and educational videos. If you want to trade with the best broker, then I guess you're going to choose the broker that I trade with, and I recommend TRAZARARA by simply clicking the link down below. Or if you want to buy an affordable prop firm, then you can just click that link below our description and buy your affordable challenge. Or if you want to be mentored by myself, the founder and CEO of COT Academy, I'm gonna let you guys know one day we're having a 2-day in-person mentorship course where I'm teaching you, showing you, and most of all going with you through all the basics and the foundations and core values of forex trading, building with you, evolving with you, and most of all growing with you. If you want to be part of the COT Academy, make sure you click that link down below, or just give me a call or leave a comment down below, or email me, and then you can leave it from there. But without further ado, let me share with you guys how you can capitalize your trading and how you can grow your trading in 2025 throughout your rest of your trading journey, right? So we're gonna be using USD CAD, guys, and understanding one thing, I'm gonna be using only 2 things, and those 2 things will be your zone. After your zone, it will be your candlesticks, and that's just it, right? So understanding, guys, that if I have to remove this zone, USD CAD was obviously in a uptrend, right? Price has been creating high highs and price has been creating what? And creating higher lows. So it happened that USD CAD had this higher high formation and this higher low formation and this higher high continuation and this higher low formation and continued moving to the upside. So when we now were trading our intraday moves, we now understood that based on this high that price is printed out and this current highs that prices printed out, if we have to do this to make you guys understand and get the picture, we now understood that, okay, based on this very same zone, price at this higher high and price at this higher low and price at this higher high and price at this higher low and price at this higher high, and price came back to our previous higher low, right, giving us a possible double bottom, right? So from this possible double bottom, price done what? Price pushed, created this new higher high and what? Higher low. So from this higher low formation, price now gathered enough momentum or enough confluence, right, or let me just say strength or momentum, right, into doing what? Into price pushing to the upside and giving us this possible high. Do you guys get it? So with price giving us this possible high, we now can do it, can mark out this very same zone. So when we now mark out this very same possible zone, we now understand that this is our higher high, right? So from this higher high formation, price did what? Gave us this higher low. From this higher low, we had a break, giving us a new high. So from this new high, price again pushed and came back to our previous very same higher low and gave us a possible double bottom. So from this possible double bottom, price did what? From there, price hit this push, creating this this new all-time high, right? So from this new all-time high, price did what? Price started depleting after this current all-time high and pushed to the downside. So when now price gave us this intraday bear move to the downside, we now understood that from this fail to break our zone, we understood that previously price gave us bullish momentum on this zone, and with price coming back again on our very same zone even though we're trading in a bear structure, price came back to our very same zone and gave us a reaction on this very same zone. So with a reaction on our very same zone, price did what? Price pushed and created this high, right? So with price creating this high, we now understand that what happened from there, price pushed to the downside, meaning that from this reaction in this high that price is printed out, price didn't have enough momentum to gather possible new highs, right? So what happened from there, price had this push to the downside. So with a push to the downside, breaking below our very same intraday zone, we now understand that obviously price is now looking to be in a bear move. So if we're looking to be in a bear move, we're only focusing on being bearish below our zone. But if it happens that price is above, then I guess we have to be bullish. So understanding this take will make you such a great trader, because you have your zone, right? You have your zone, and your zone has been giving you bullish momentum above, right? So with bullish momentum above your zone, there's a higher possibility that price might still continue or look to be bullish only if you're trading above. Do you guys get that? An opposite thing, if price is trading below, there's a high possibility that price might move to be bearish if only we're trading below that very same zone. But if it happens that we stay above, then I guess we have to be we have to look for those bullish signs, because the bears has lost momentum and the bulls have gained momentum. And what happens from there, price looks to be bullish, right? So when you still look at this, sorry about this, when you still look at this, right, we now understood, right? So price was now below our very same zone, right? So from being below, price didn't give us enough momentum. So with price not having enough momentum, what happened from there, price had this bullish candlestick which broke above our very same bullish momentum zone / your support, right? So once price gave us such momentum, right, because obviously this was our London open, right? This was our London open, which looked to somehow be bearish, and then it flipped. So from this candlestick flips, from the flip of our London open from bearish to being bullish, we now understood that if we're looking to continue moving to the upside, price had to at least trade above our very same zone that we have gained momentum previously, that created new possible highs, right? But if price stays below, then I guess we don't have to trade, right? So it happened that on our pre-NY session, approaching our NFP, because obviously that was also an NFP on Friday, right? So approaching our pre-NY session / our NFP, we now understood that with this momentum candlestick on 1200 PM and the coming candlestick on 1300 PM and the third candlestick on 1400 PM, we now understood that we now are having bullish momentum. So with bullish momentum in the chart and with bullish momentum on our London session falling into our pre-NY / NFP, we now understood that if price might stay above our very same zone, then I guess we might look to be bullish. But if price doesn't, then I guess we don't have to trade. So understanding that our zone is where we're looking to be bullish every time price stays above. 2, our candlesticks were giving us signs and indications that we were bearish, but now we're looking to be bullish from our London open falling into our pre-NY session / NFP, right? With that being said, we now anticipated that we might look to be bullish, but this is only based on what? This is only based on price giving us an indication that for this bullish momentum, we now might take that impulsive entry with anticipations of possible new highs. Do you guys get that? And when you now look at this, you now will get the picture that with our 20 pip stop, which was somewhere right there, somewhere right there, and I think we had a 100 pip target, right? Somewhere right here, yeah, it was somewhere right there. So understanding that with this take or such an approach, it doesn't make it hard for you not to win trades most of the time, because it's inevitable that you will win all the time. You will take L's and you will take 0 L's if you're not managing your risk. But understanding such an approach will make you such an equivalent and great trader, because 1, we're focusing on your zones. what's happening every time we're above and what's happening every time we're below. 2, you're focusing on your candlesticks. What is happening when prices either above or either below that certain zone in a certain trading session. Stock market, I would just say maybe your London Open, your NY Open. You guys get it? It only depends on where and how you'd be trading at that time, and what session you'll be trading at that time, and what momentum you'll be getting at that time. But understanding this approach, I repeat, will make you such a great trader, because we're focusing on our zones and our candlesticks, and with price giving us your zones, and with price giving us reactions on our zones, then I guess there's nothing else that you might be looking for but to just maintain the risk and to just execute those trades. Do you guys get it? So without further ado, I hope I've added value into your trading life, into your trading journey. But if you're new to my channel, thank you for having me as one of our subscribers and family members. But if you're a veteran to the channel, thanks for having you back in our channel. Like you always guys know it, that we always share educational videos just to show you guys how you can become great traders and how you can unleash your potential and become far the most important trader and the most professional trader out there, using all that we share and all that we are showing you guys. Because in trading, we don't just teach, we also show. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, thanks for sharing, thanks for liking, thanks for leaving a comment, and thanks for choosing COT Academy as one of the greatest trading institutes, and choosing COT Academy YouTube channel as one of your greatest channels in the world. But without further ado, this is your boy Hallam, King COT, and we're signing out.